Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you exactly how to install Google Tag Manager on Shopify in 2024. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. First of all, open tagmanager.google.com on your web browser. Click on Create Account. Add your account name and country. You can share data anonymously with Google and others. Scroll down to Container Setup and then add the container name. Open a new tab and type in Shopify Login. Open the link of Shopify Login. Open your Shopify store and click on Online Stores. Then click on Themes. Click on the I button to view your online store. Copy its link and paste the container name into the Tag Manager. The name cannot start with a comma, dash, or any reserved character. So paste the link without these characters of HTTPS. Select your target platform. Let's select Web here and click on Create. Here is the Google Tag Manager Team of Service Agreement. Click on the check mark below and tap Yes on the top right corner. It will take a few seconds. Copy the code below and paste it into every page of your website. Copy your code. Go to the Shopify store and open Online Stores. Scroll down and click on three dots near the Customize option. Click on Edit Code and tap on Theme Liquid. Paste the copied code here. Paste this code after the Meta section. Now copy the second code from the Tag Manager and paste it on My Store as well. Copy the link and paste it immediately after opening the body tag. You can see body tags might be very far down, so instead of looking for it, search it in the left bar menu. This section will open up at the bottom. In the search bar, type in body. Here are templates and add a new template option, layout and add a new layout option. You will find the body tag. Paste the code there. Go back to the Tag Manager tab and click on OK. Now click on Submit in the top right corner. Add a version or descriptive name. Add a version description and click on Publish. You will see this option in the top right corner. Now it has been published. That's how you can install Google Tag Manager on Shopify. Click the link given in the description box to create your account. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.